if you want to customize custom watch faces on Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, first of all, you have to start by opening My Faces. Now just wait for it, and you will have to go into Manage Local Watch Faces and just pick up the gallery one. And right now we can for sure change background by selecting images from your phone, but if you want to customize it, for example with the background, then you can change color of your photo background from the available colors right here. And below we can find the clock style, so as you can see we can change position and size of the clock. The font looks almost the same for everyone. We can also get an analog clock. In my case I would like to get actually this one. And here as you can see we can change font, so up to your preferences. Let's say that I'm gonna pick up this one. And we can also change time position from top to bottom and also on the left or the right side, but it actually depends of the watch style that you have picked up right here. And then we can change color of the font. So let's say that I'm gonna go with the blue one. And here we can add some additional features, like for example we can add steps at the bottom. And for the second one, let's say that I want to add the heart rate, so it will be available on the right side. And from the other settings, as you can see, we can rise to display a new image, and it will work like the wallpaper carousel on the Xiaomi phones, so you can add multiple photos by using the plus right here, and it will change every time you're gonna rise your wrist. So we have to click save if you want to apply those changes, and as you can see we already got it just right here.